Music, dear sweet and great people, is believed to be the food for the soul. The great German philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche once said, "Without music, life would be a mistake." That means, मौसीकी के बगैर जिंदगी एक गलती होती. What you may not know, dear people, is that music is relaxing and healing and has actually been proven scientifically to ease pain, grief, and stress. And some people even have reported that they can sleep better and peaceful when they enjoy music. गोइसे ने कहा था, हर इंसान को चाहिए कि दिन में कम से कम एक दफा कोई खूबसूरत नगमा या गीत सुने, कोई अच्छी नज़म या गज़ल पढ़े या फिर कोई खूबसूरत तस्वीर देखे, और अगर हो सके तो अपने मुंह से माकूल लफ्ज़ अदा करे. म्यूजिक in simple words is rhythm, and rhythm, dear people, is all around us. The rhythmic rotation of the earth around the sun, the rhythmic sound of cuckoo bird and the nightingale, the rhythmic recitation of the holy book, the Quran Hakim, the rhythmic system of nights and days that follow each other, the pleasing and rhythmic features of the beautiful girl's face. In short, everything around you is music and rhythm. Feel the music and feel the rhythm. All good people, feel it.